As a business owner, you got a decision to make. And what's that decision? You got to decide whether or not you're a business or a charity. Okay? If you are a business, then you got to start giving all your stuff away. If you are a charity, give all your stuff away. And I see this time and time again. People think that they can give, and people are going to feel so much value given that they're just going to say, you know what? You haven't charged me anything. Here, take my wallet. No, you got to learn how to sell. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't give away free stuff. I'm giving away free information right now, free game. But guess what? That's on social media. Okay? When it's time for transformation, guess what? It's time for a transaction. I'm a businessman. I own businesses. I am in the business of transformation and transactions. And a lot of content creators are afraid of asking for a transaction. I know I started out the same way when I got on the internet back in 2011. Started my podcast. I said, I'm just going to give it all away. I'm even going to coach people for free. And I know that people will donate to me. Guess how many people donated to me over the years? 2 years went by, one person donated me $100 from Africa. $100 in 2 years? Yeah, I was definitely wrong. And you are too. So many people are telling you to just give all your stuff away for free. No. Social media is for attraction. My platform, webassetgroup.com, is for transformations and transactions. Okay? You have to start charging for your services. You have to start charging for your information. You have to use social media as a business and stop letting social media use you. Webassetgroup.com. Webassetgroup.com. Why am I saying that? Because this platform is using my video to make money. Right now, I'm creating a free video. So it is my job to let you know about the products and services that I offer. And it's your job to use social media to let people know about the products and services you offer. Now, I'm not saying become over salesy. No, I'm not saying that. I rarely ask people to buy anything from me directly on social media. But make no mistake about it, I am using social media to further the agenda of my personal and business brand. I'm not here because I'm a nice guy. I'm here because I'm getting in front of your eyes. I'm getting in your mind. I'm getting in your heart. I'm qualifying and disqualifying people by using the power of social media. I am a businessman. You don't believe that? Try calling me and see if I answer the phone without a paid schedule an appointment. That's not going to happen. If you're not one of my customers that are engaged in paying me right now, schedule a consultation. I don't pick up the phone for free. I don't show up to events for free. I don't coach people for free. I'm here to tell you that you have to get serious about your business strategy. So, what do you do, Robbie? What do I do? Do I just tell people to buy my stuff? No, I'm not saying tell people to buy anything. You're putting out content on a consistent basis using the power of social media, introducing people to the way you think, introducing people to the way you live, introducing people to the way you think and the way you feel, and directing them to where they can go if they want to do business with you. You are spending too much time on these calls for free. You are spending too much time in these mastermind groups for free, these Zoom calls for free, these webinars for free. Not me. I'm a businessman. You might be saying, Robbie, you're selfish. Okay, call me selfish, but go and use Google if you don't value my time, because I value my time. That's why I create social media. All of my free stuff is for social media. If you want to go to another level, then let's talk about a transaction. Let's talk about transformations, and let's talk about transaction. If you want to talk about transformation and transactions, then you know where to find me if you really want to get serious about it. I'm not trying to hold anything back from you on social media. I only got a small window of time to deliver some value to you. And so I'm dropping it on you every single day. You got to start doing that. Another thing you got to start doing, stop taking pictures of your kids. Nobody cares about that. Who cares about that? Okay? Yes, you can do that from time to time. But if you are a coach, if you are an influencer, if you are someone that's looking to make money off the internet, you have to stop lying to yourself. Oh yeah, everybody know you're lying. Everybody knows that free webinar that you are about to host tonight, you're going to upsell people at the end of it. Everybody knows that. Everybody knows that crappy ebook that nobody's going to read when they download it from your website. Everybody knows you're about to flood their email inbox with all kind of spam they don't even want to hear. That's why they're giving you the email that they don't even check anyway, just to get the free ebook that they're not going to read anyway. Everybody knows that. So why are you acting like you are on the internet? Oh, I'm just a good person. I'm on the internet. I just want people to know about my life. Okay. So why are you in these private meetings with people like me talking about you're not making any money off social media? See, I let it be known from day one. Robbie Cornelius is a full-blown capitalist. Yes, I'm on here because talking about this every single day feeds my soul, but I'm also a businessman. I am a man of business. And I mean business, and I let people know that I mean business so they don't try me with the foolishness that they try a lot of you coaches with. A lot of you experts are just giving all your stuff away for free. All right, learn to monetize. Learn the proper way to monetize. You need to be a part of my classes. Go to webassetgroup.com. It's not about having a lot of freaking followers. It's about making a lot of impact and making a lot of money if you want to use the internet to do business. Master yourself.